I'm gonna do a little unboxing with you guys today. This is the only meal prep company that I actually like. You don't just throw in the towel and order a motherfucking pizza. What's up, people, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is AnnMarie Lawrence. I'm an IFBB bikini pro, and this is my Road to Olympia series. I am currently 4 weeks out from Nashville Fit Show. I'm super, I can't wait. Things are really warming up here. They're really ramping up. But this vid is gonna be all about what to do when you don't have time to cook, you don't feel like cooking. What do you do? What resources do you have? You don't just throw in the towel and order a motherfucking pizza. We're gonna be prepared and ready to roll. So, with that being said, I'm gonna do a little unboxing with you guys today. Some, what is it? ASMR unboxing today. I'm just kidding, but we are gonna do an unboxing today of what I got from Icon Meals. So Icon Meals is a food prep company, and they have a ton of different meals other than the ones that I got. The meals, disclaimer, that I personally ordered are very, very boring because I am 4 weeks out. They do have a ton of other really awesome stuff. I'll show you guys the inside of their website after I do my unboxing. But this is my go-to plain and boring meals that I order. Also, anytime if you guys want to order any Icon Meals ever in life, you can use code AnnMarie, all caps, and that will give you a discount in your order. So let's go ahead and let's unbox this. The cool thing is that everything comes in dry ice. So it is all vacuum sealed and frozen. It's all vacuum sealed and frozen, ready to go. So freaking easy. You pop it in the microwave for 3 to 4 minutes and it's done. And that is freaking it. So this is my go-to meal that I personally order. I don't know if you guys can see on here, it has my name on it. It's a customized meal that I personally order. This is my go-to. It fits my macros so freaking well. It's my favorite meal. Personally, I like boring, I like bland. That's my go-to life. And it's very, very simple. 5 ounces of ground turkey, 4 ounces of green beans, and half a cup of white rice. The cool thing about this that I absolutely love about Icon Meals is that it matches your macros so freaking well, and they provide the macros on there for you. So if you want to go in, you can also customize meals. You can literally go in, you can choose and customize meals. Like I said, I'll show you guys it inside the website also. But this meal is 335 calories, 25 grams of protein, 30 grams of carbs, 13 grams of fat. Again, I customized this meal. This is my go-to, and I'm pretty freaking positive that's all I got in this shipment. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's all I got in this shipment, which sounds really freaking boring, but I'll show you guys the inside of the website so you can see what other super fun things that they have. But off season, I'm gonna tell you right now, during prep, it's a lot easier for me to like be on top of my cooking, but honestly, I utilize Icon Meals more in my off season than I do during my prep season because of how easy it is to order super fun meals, especially off season when you're busy and you're focused on other things other than constantly being in prep. It's so easy for me to grab and go, throw that motherfucker in the microwave and call it a day instead of like ordering a pizza or something like that. So these are the meals that I got. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it's cool, you stack them like this. And these are great for travel. 7, 8, 9, 10. So I got 10 of these meals. I'm gonna go ahead and throw them in the freezer. That's the other really cool part, is that right when you get them, you can just throw them right in the freezer and they don't really expire because they're frozen. So it's so freaking awesome, and they are so good. This is the only meal prep company that I actually like. I have tried so many different meal prep companies, and this is the only one that I actually like, that when you heat up the food, it tastes like you just cooked it. It tastes so freaking fresh. So I'm gonna throw these in the freezer, and then I'm gonna show you guys the inside of Icon Meals website so you can see what other types of foods that they have. Okay, so here's the Icon Meals website. I'm gonna go through a couple things so that you guys can see how it works, literally a button that says how it works, and exactly what they have on their menus and how you can order. So the really cool thing that they actually just added is you can actually build out like kind of a little bit of a meal plan here based on your goals. But what I like to do is I like to just go to the menu. And when you go to the menu, it's gonna show you a ton of this week's menu. They have a ton of really, really fun stuff. So for instance, bacon chicken Alfredo pizza, bacon cheeseburger, quesadilla, so freaking good, I love this. Beef enchilada bake, beef stir fry with Kyoto blend, which is like beans and stuff like that. Beef sliders with bacon jam and potatoes, so freaking good. All of their food is freaking awesome. So they have a ton of really awesome options outside of my boring ass meal that I showed you. Chicken barbecue quesadillas are freaking fire. Absolutely love them. The Diablo shrimp is really, really good. Let's see, what else on here do I really like? The green chili brisket pizza, so freaking bomb. They have ravioli, they have protein pancakes. So they have a ton of really freaking awesome stuff on here that I like, but when I'm on prep, I don't order any of the super fun stuff. I get a little bit boring. So here's what I do when I am on prep. I will create my own meals, which they just changed the site. So I think that, oh, here we go. Custom meals up here, and I can click on custom lunch and dinner. And the really cool thing is you could choose how many you want. You choose the type of protein. They have a ton of different protein options here. I normally will do ground turkey or I'll do ground bison, which I really, really like. I don't see the point personally in purchasing chicken. That's just my personal opinion. If I'm gonna do chicken or shrimp, I'll just do it myself. It's easier for me personally. So I like to do the ground turkey or the ground bison. I'll choose a side. I will normally do either sweet potato or I will do white rice. I've been on a white rice kick recently. And then as my vegetable, I will either do asparagus or I will do green beans. That's just my personal jam. That's what I like. You can also add seasonings and stuff like that. And then you just put how many you want and then add to cart. That's how I make my custom meals. So if you want to customize your meals, it's super, super easy to do so based on exactly what you are looking for. But the really cool thing that they just added on here is the lose weight option or the muscle gaining option right here, build muscle. It's really, really cool that they have this because it's showing you their lowest calorie meals that they have, which I think is really freaking awesome to make it super, super easy for you. And like I said before, and I wonder what this one is because I haven't been on these. Yeah, so it makes it so easy. These are the higher calorie options, the build muscle ones. And then the eat clean ones, I'm sure, just the simple. Yep, simple, protein, veggie, and a carb source. The really cool thing about this, ooh, double protein saffron rice. Damn, that looks motherfucking good. Anyway, I can't eat right now, so I'm gonna stop looking at this because I'm starving 4 weeks out, staring at literally amazing food. But the really cool thing about this, like I said before, is that I honestly utilize this more when I'm in off season and I travel, or I'm in off season and I just have a lot going on, because it's so much easier for me to grab, throw something in the microwave that's high protein, has a little bit of carb, has a veggie in it, and go along with my day. So this is not just for people who compete. This is also for people who just genuinely have a busy schedule, who are trying to eat healthier, who travel a lot and just don't have time to like grocery shop and cook, who don't feel like cooking. Like, this is a great option for everyone who's in general trying to live a healthier lifestyle, bump their protein up, and then just kind of stay on track with their macros and calories. And even if you're somebody who doesn't track macros and calories and you're just genuinely trying to eat a little bit cleaner, but you don't feel like cooking, this is a super great option. So this is my go-to when I don't feel like cooking, when I'm being a lazy bitch, when your girl's traveling. Oh my God, these are a lifesaver. I just pack them in my book bag and call it a freaking day. The cool thing is they're frozen. So by the time I get to the place that I'm at, I'll put them in like a lunchbox and I'll carry it on, or I'll just throw them in my book bag because I have a Wolfpack book bag that has like a little cooler in it. they're still frozen, which is fucking sweet, and I can just pop them in the freezer or the fridge wherever I'm staying, and I have meals, I have lunches. Like, whenever I travel, I feel like nobody is prepared with food, and so that stresses me the fuck out because I need to know where my next meal is coming from, what I'm gonna be eating, because I like to know that I'm getting in an efficient amount of nutrients throughout my day. It's super important to me. So bringing these meals is a fucking game changer, an absolute game changer. Makes you feel so much better, makes you feel so much more prepared. So if you're looking to order Icon meals, you can visit iconmeals.com anytime. Use code AnnMarie at checkout. It's gonna give you a discount, and it helps a sister out too. But obsessed with Icon meals. I refuse to endorse companies that I don't 100% support. As you guys can see, I don't support a lot of companies for that exact reason, but absolutely love Icon meals. Definitely check them out. Thank you guys so much for being a part of my journey. If you have any questions, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe, click on that little bell, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.